Hello everyone. Did you know that you can turn your Excel sheet into a clean professional PDF in just a few seconds? Sometimes you are sending your Excel files which looks messy on other computer. So we will convert them to PDF and keep the formatting perfect. So let's start the video. This is our data, a sheet that we want to send. We want to convert this to a PDF file. So how we can do? Before moving directly and converting this to a PDF, we should do some settings. So for the setting, first of all, we will move to the print and check how it will looks like. Come here to the print setup. So look at it looks like this. The data is not, we can see all data on our page. So how we can bring all columns to this page? So for that, let's move back and first of all to the page setup. In page setup, we will move to the size. We will make it A4 and to the margin, we will make it narrow. So look at it. This line you can see after E column. It will print now until this area. This is our print, but how we can print all the columns? So for that, again, let's move to the print. You can see we have just until amount column. So to print all the columns, so for that, come here to the no scaling, this option. After that, instead of no scaling, we will fit all columns on one page. So it will looks like this. Now we can print all data to a PDF file. We can see all the columns in one page. But if the columns were large, it means you were not able to see your data clearly. So for that, we can convert from landscape to come here to the from portrait to landscape like this. If there were a lot of columns, we can convert our data like this. Okay, so now let's make it back to the portrait. We can see our data clearly. Now let's print to the PDF. There are three methods to convert this data to PDF. The first method is come here to the file. In file, we can export it. Press export and create PDF XPS document. We will double click this. After double clicking this, we will save our data somewhere. I will save on desktop. Come here to the desktop. Built one record. We already have one record, so I will just replace that. Press publish. So do you want to replace? Yes, I want to replace on that. So look at we have our data. Our data looks like this. This is a PDF file that we can share with someone else. The second method, let's try that. File, print. In print here you can select to the PDF. Look at the first option. Don't select your printer but select Microsoft Printer to PDF. Select this option and print it. So after printing, save it somewhere. Let's again on desktop. So here I will name it second. Just like this. Save it. Now we will see the second file also. So it is saving. So look at we can see our second file also and it looks like this. The third method is to save this to PDF, that is save as. Come here to the back to our Excel file and come here to the P file, then save as. After coming to the save as where you want to save, for example desktop, and I will name it third. And here we can select down save as type as PDF. Come here down and we will select PDF. Look at find PDFs and select PDF. This is the name we assigned is third. Save that. Now we will see our third file also. So look at our third file. This is our PDF and it looks like this. This is how we can convert our Excel sheet to a clean PDF format. Whenever you are sending or sharing data with someone, your boss or manager, so you can send as a PDF. You can see the data clearly like this. If there was no need for the edit.